8 Miraculous Herbs to Supercharge Your Nerves. Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the secrets to living your best life. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as vital as your morning coffee: nerve health. Yep, those unsung heroes that transmit signals faster than you can say supercharge. And guess what? We've got not one, not two, but 8 incredible herbs that are about to turbocharge your nerves. So, if you're ready to take a journey into the world of natural nerve-boosting wonders, hit that play button and let's get started. 1. Ashwagandha. Let's talk ashwagandha, the ultimate stress fighter in the world of herbs. It's like a calming hug for your nerves, thanks to its adaptogenic abilities that help your body tackle stress like a pro. And guess what? Studies even hint at its potential to soothe inflammation and protect those precious nerves from damage. While it won't turn you into an instant meditation guru, ashwagandha could be the nudge your nerves need to find their inner calm amidst life's chaos. 2. Turmeric. Now, let's dive into the world of turmeric, the golden hero that's more than just a kitchen spice. Meet curcumin, its superstar compound with anti-inflammatory superpowers. Imagine it as a nerve-soothing balm that could help alleviate discomfort and reduce inflammation, giving your nerves a break from the hustle and bustle of life. But that's not all. Curcumin's got your nerves back in the long run too, supporting overall nerve health like a true champion. So, whether you're enjoying a turmeric latte or adding a pinch to your recipes, you're not just adding flavor, you're sprinkling a touch of natural nerve-loving magic. 3. Ginkgo Biloba. Now, let's talk about Ginkgo Biloba, the herbal hero that's all about boosting blood circulation, giving your nerves a VIP ticket to enhanced vitality. Think of it as a gentle breeze that carries essential nutrients to your hard-working nerves, ensuring they're ready to rock. And that's not all. Ginkgo Biloba's benefits stretch beyond the physical, with studies hinting at its potential cognitive and nerve-related perks. It's like a double dose of support, a brain workout and a nerve-loving hug, all in one herb. 4. Passionflower. Now, let's step into the world of serenity with Passionflower, the soothing maestro for your nerves. Think of it as a calming embrace that helps ease anxiety and stress, giving your nerves a chance to catch their breath. By quieting the noise of everyday worries, Passionflower indirectly lends its support to nerve health. It's like creating a peaceful oasis where your nerves can rejuvenate. So, while it might not be whispering directly to your nerves, its relaxation magic sets the stage for a harmonious symphony of well-being. 5. St. John's Wort. Let's shine a spotlight on St. John's Wort, an herbal gem steeped in tradition and known for its soothing touch on nerve-related discomfort. It's like that trusted friend who's always there when your nerves could use a little extra comfort. This herb carries a history of providing relief from life's ups and downs, offering a natural remedy to help your nerves find their balance. But, a word of caution, while St. John's Wort boasts an impressive resume, its interactions with medications should not be underestimated. Think of it as an herbal treasure that's best enjoyed with a healthcare professional's guidance, ensuring you're reaping the rewards while keeping potential risks at bay. 6. Lemon balm. Now, let's dive into the world of lemon balm, the zesty herb that's all about unwinding those nerve-related knots. Imagine it as a soothing spa day for your nerves, melting away stress like lemonade on a warm day. With its gentle touch, lemon balm is your go-to nerve calmer, helping you find your zen amidst life's chaos. Science has even stepped in to give it a nod, hinting at its potential to create a calm oasis in the midst of nerve-wracking moments. So, if you're up for adding a splash of tranquility to your routine, lemon balm might just be the citrusy twist you're looking for. But remember, this herb journey is all about finding your groove, so stay curious and let your nerves guide the way. 7. Skullcap. Get ready to explore the wonders of Skullcap, the herb that's all about putting nerve-related tension on mute. Think of it as a calming breeze that sweeps away stress, leaving your nerves feeling as serene as a cat soaking up the sun. But here's the twist: Skullcap isn't just a modern trend, it's a tried-and-true tradition in herbal medicine. This herb has been a trusted ally for ages, offering your nerves a path to tranquility and calm. Whether you're aiming to unwind after a chaotic day or simply want to give your nerves a breather, Skullcap steps in as the natural remedy you've been searching for. It's like hitting the pause button on life's hustle, giving your nerves the chance to reset. 8. Oat Straw. Now, let's delve into the world of Oat Straw, the nerve-loving powerhouse that's like a wholesome meal for your nervous system. Imagine it as a nutritional embrace, packed with vitamins and minerals that give your nerves the fuel they need to shine. Oat Straw isn't just about basic nourishment, it's a potential ally in soothing nerve-related discomfort, offering your nerves a moment of relief. Picture it as a soothing hug that tells your nerves, take a break and relax. Whether you're sipping oat straw tea or incorporating it into your daily routine, you're providing your nerves with a treat that's as nurturing as a spa day. And there you have it, the dynamic world of these 8 miraculous herbs that are all about giving your nerves the VIP treatment they deserve. From ashwagandha's stress-busting powers to oat straw's nutrient-packed embrace, each herb brings its unique magic to the table. But remember, these herbs are like sidekicks to a healthy lifestyle. They're here to enhance your journey, not replace it. So, as you sprinkle these nerve-nurturing gems into your routine, don't forget the importance of balanced living, good sleep, and staying active. We're on this journey together, explorers, and your experiences matter. Whether you've got a nerve-boosting story to share or just want to dive deeper into this herbal adventure, we're all ears. And as always, a friendly reminder, before shaking up your routine, have that heart-to-heart chat with a healthcare professional. Your well-being is worth every thoughtful step you take. With that said, a big shout out to each and every one of you for joining us on this herbal expedition. You know the drill. If you found this journey as exciting as we did, show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing for more awesome content, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, take care, nourish those nerves, and keep rocking that vibrant, healthy life. See you on our next adventure.